This all is for the noobs or pros, and this is how you can literally fly and build a boat, like I am doing right here, the same way I'm doing right here. Let me reset. So the way how you want to fly is, it's very easy. First of all, you would want to have this basic wooden sail. Then you would also next of all put this sticky block, which will not allow you to jump. Then for the final thing, which have now for the very important thing is this thing. I'll AFK. Okay, so I'm back, and now then you would want to go launch, then this would happen. Then you would want to press S if you're on a computer, or you would want to go back if you're on any other device. Then you're literally flying. I recommend you to go on this mode because then it's way easier to use it. Like it's very easy.